Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you caught my recent video about the awesome products that Creality has sent me to try out, then you know what's coming up. In this video, I'll be telling you all about Creality's new high-speed printer, the K1. This printer is a Core XY machine that runs on a modified version of Clipper. It has a print area of 220 by 220 by 250, automatic bed leveling, and an AC bed heater. It's supposed to be able to print at speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. I haven't tried printing anything that fast for myself, and I've heard mixed reviews as to the quality of the prints at that speed from other creators reviewing the same machine. From what I understand, it's supposed to be a direct competitor for Bambu Labs P1P, with its similar capabilities and price point. This printer comes mostly assembled. All the end user needs to do is attach the door handle, plug the ribbon cable into the back of the display, and snap the control panel into position on the front of the machine. From there, check that the mains power is set to the correct voltage for your area. Mine was still set at 220 from the factory, so I took one of the included Allen wrenches and toggled the selector to the 110 volt setting. With the medium Allen wrench still in my hand, I opened up the print chamber door and removed the 3 screws labeled with the arrow stickers that hold the print bed in the lower position during shipping. Once that's done and you're sure that all the packing material is removed from around the printer head, you're finally ready to turn the machine on and perform the initial power up and calibration cycle. This will take about 10 minutes and involves the head going around the build platform, establishing a mesh level. And once that's completed, you're ready to start your first print. My first print was the 16-minute Benchy that came preloaded on the USB stick, along with the slicing software and a copy of the user manual. I went ahead and printed all 3 of the demo files that came preloaded on the USB, just to see. Gotta love the FlexiCat. It seems to be the consensus from other creators reviewing this same machine that there's an excess amount of noise coming from the chamber fans. My printer doesn't seem to be super loud. Maybe that's an issue that was addressed on the machine that was shipped to me. I know I received one of the most current versions of the printer because my parts kit included a glue stick but didn't include a replacement extruder. This leads me to think that the printer that I received is the same as the retail version that you'd likely get if you'd order one of these today. I only have about 5 hours of print time on this machine, and so far my experience has been great. I mostly print in ABS, and using the stock settings, all of the parts that I've run so far have come out great. I haven't had a chance to run any nylon or carbon fiber yet, but I'll let you know how that goes when the opportunity presents itself. If you've paid attention to any of the videos shot in my home studio, then you might have seen that I do own a Bambu Labs X1 Carbon, and I know that this machine isn't meant to be a direct competitor for the X1C. But it'll be interesting to see if there's much of a difference in print quality between the two. As I get more time on the machine, I'll let you know how it wears and if I start experiencing any issues from accuracy as the machine gets more time on it. That's about all I have for this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share my videos. I know you get tired of me saying it at the end of every video, but hopefully with your help, I can get back in good graces with the algorithm. And if you have time, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about what I'm doing. Thanks for watching.